Today at Spotify Camp Nou, the compression ring is pushing deeper into the south goal zone. Ceramic slat deliveries are arriving in bulk at the north goal corner, and preparations for cladding are advancing across multiple sectors. Here is the full breakdown. Starting with the compression ring, and the view from the rooftop confirms significant progress. The ring is now visibly deep into the south goal zone, and the geometry has shifted entirely compared to the lateral side. Where the lateral had pillars on the interior with radial beams facing outward, the south goal section reverses this completely. Pillars now sit on the exterior, and radial beams point inward, a direct consequence of the curve the ring must navigate around this end of the stadium. Two radial beams are already connected through their phalanges, confirming the structure is prepared for the next pillar and radial beam to follow. A piece appeared ready for lifting during filming, but was not raised today. The pace remains consistent with at least one new piece placed every single working day. Scaffolding removal is well advanced with only a small cluster remaining on the left side. An elevated platform was active on the second cantilever level, working on one of the structural beams. Down at ground level in the south goal corner, guide wires are now being strung between anchor points, and elevated platforms are actively aligning the anchors. The slat support brackets are confirmed installed, but the connecting unions behind the esquadras are not yet fitted. Slat installation here is unlikely this week, but preparation work is clearly in its final stages. The lateral zone remains the busiest area on site. Phalanges of 3 different sizes, at least one prepared pillar, and multiple radial beams are all staged and ready for lifting in the coming days. At ground level, the slat support connecting unions are now confirmed fitted in certain lower sections behind the esquadras. Lighting conduit tubes are also being placed along the parking entrance walls, confirming interior finishing work is progressing in parallel. If you are enjoying this coverage, please hit the like button and subscribe if you have not already. It genuinely keeps this channel going. The north goal corner is the headline zone today. A full truck delivery of fresh ceramic slats arrived, and a crane was being positioned to lower them into the right side sector staging area. The 2 left side sectors are already heavily covered in slats, with just one final level remaining at the top. The right side sector is confirmed next with anchors in place, and the fresh delivery now on site confirming installation is imminent. Worker density in this corner today was the highest anywhere in the stadium. Multiple elevated platform teams were applying fire-resistant coating to bolts and beams throughout this zone. This painting phase is a necessary step before the black finish coat and slat installation can follow. 3 full levels of black beam framework are already installed and ready for sandwich panels. The diagonal interior support beams still need fitting, and anchors are not yet placed, but the direction of travel is clear. A fresh trailer delivery of sandwich panels arrived at the Tribune Mobility Nucleus, today confirming the last uncovered nucleus in this zone is next in sequence. Slat supports are confirmed fitted on the left side, but the right side. Vertical union positions still have none placed. Elevated platforms are active across both cantilever levels, and glass panels were being moved in the exterior. First cantilever area, suggesting glazing work is advancing in parallel. 2 phalanges are still needed to connect the 2 radial beams already in place at the north goal ring position. The tower crane was active here with a small piece confirmed lifted during filming, and a large crew visible across the 3rd cantilever level, confirming preparation work is underway for the next placement soon. That is everything from today. Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe. The compression ring advances on 2 fronts simultaneously. Slat deliveries are arriving in bulk, and the Tribune sandwich panel sequence is about to begin. See you next time.